Good day, this is the Professor, Professor CBMD PhD. And today is Friday, September 30th, 2022. It is 5:34 and 13 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, bacteria metabolites. So let's hop to it here. A strong link between gut bacteria and metabolites. Date September 23rd, 2022. Source, Uppsala University. A new study sheds light on the strong links between bacteria living in the gut and the levels of small molecules in the blood, known as metabolites. The study is based on analysis of both fecal and blood samples from 8,583 participants. The aim of the project was to contribute to the expanding knowledge base concerning how gut microbiota influence human health. Early studies have shown that the large bacterial community in our digestive system produce a variety of molecules with the potential to enter the bloodstream and to impact our health. And conversely, medication or dietary components may affect the microbiota composition before entering the circulation. The characterization of these interactions is an important step towards understanding the effects of the gut microbiota on health. The recent technological advances have enabled large-scale deep characterization of bacterial communities in biological samples. And this is done by sequencing the DNA content of the samples and comparing the results to DNA sequences from known bacteria. Advances in chemistry have further enabled large simultaneous screens of blood samples in order to measure small molecules. The SCAPI study represents one of the largest collections in the world of both of these kinds of data. In this study, scientists investigated the links between the gut microbiota and the small molecules in the blood. The gut microbiota is a universe of its own, and we have just started to understand how the human host and the bacterial community affect each other. The results show that for certain blood metabolites, the bacteria you carry in the gut constitute a strong determinant. The scientific team believes that the breadth of findings may spur the interest of other international groups focusing on gut microbiota and host interactions. The large number of samples containing high-quality data allowed us to identify many novel associations. Researchers have therefore chosen to publish all of their findings in an online open resource for the research community to use their varying needs. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.